Hey, good morning everyone. Kay here on my Tennessee homestead. And you may have noticed I'm doing a 24-hour survival challenge without power. And so many people online are talking about blackouts this winter, a very cold winter, and I wanted to test myself and hopefully inspire other people to start thinking about what are they going to do if the power goes out. So I gave myself a little pre-test. Yesterday, I turned off the heater and I wanted to see if I could keep a comfortable temperature in my house for 24 hours. So here is how that went.
Now that's a beautiful fire. Wow. And it's keeping the temperature in here about
68 degrees, which is fine. I mean the temperature in the hallway. In here it's warmer. I'm running a test to see if, yes, that has gotten quite hot. Yeah, that's hot. Not boiling, but it's just starting to steam. And just kind of wondering, not sure I should actually leave this on here. This might be too hot. Whew, that is hot. Let's just go see if this is hot enough to make a cup of tea. This handle got a little warm. This is old-fashioned plastic. This is an antique. I've had this for a very long time and I never use it because I have my electric kettle. But as you can see, that is steaming out of there. So that's going to be plenty hot for a cup of tea on Saturday. I love these Numi teas. Okay, that's steeping. Oh, I'm very happy. I don't even have to go outside and take the cover off the grill, heat up the burner, turn on the gas and heat up the burner for a cup of tea. So I'm in good shape for Saturday. What I like to do is put a little colloidal silver. This is Silver Wings, 500 ppm. Just put a little bit in there and let that steam, and it just purifies the air. And we all need that at this time of the year. So is everyone comfortable in here? Just hanging out? That's Spot, Tiger, and Patch. Where's BJ? Where's BJ? Where's BJ? Nice and comfy in here at 60 degrees? Yes. Yes. I know. I know. Nice and comfy. I just wanted to let you hear the backup generator. There's my dead side garden. Dead except for the weeds. And my generator just kicked in. It kicks in every Wednesday. And it's really not that loud. It's a little bit louder than the HVAC. But this is running all the power of the house, and the HVAC just runs the heater. So, and it's just the heater of the downstairs. There's a separate one. The smaller one is for the upstairs, and that's for the downstairs, which is bigger. But it's not bad. I should probably get some humidity going in here. That's below the normal range. you enjoying being close to the fire? Are you enjoying being close to the fire? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Okay. So let's check on the fire. And we are getting some nice steam coming off of the colloidal silver. So that is providing some humidity and antibacterial. This is the way our fire is looking. Nice, beautiful coals in there. I'm going to throw another log on, keep that temperature up. Well, it's been a long, interesting day, and I'm just checking in with the fire. It's been going since sunup this morning. Very proud of myself. Now, I didn't have much of a challenge because it was in the 60s today, and it's only, I think it's only getting down to maybe 40 tonight. I'm not sure. But this was my first test run, you know, to practice for Saturday. And you can check out the fire right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it going all night. I've been putting big logs in, and they're taking a long time to burn, and I'm going to put in 1 or 2 more big ones for overnight, and then hopefully when I get up in the morning, it's not cold in here, and we'll see, and you'll see. Yeah, I just put that big one in there. Looks like a city twinkling out the window of an airplane. Minus the flames, of course. Just like the top of that looks like lights from a city. Okay, I'm gonna sit down and enjoy some popcorn and my fire. Right here. Oh, you think I can eat all that? I hope not. Kind of hard to see. And I don't think there's a light on this, but it says it's 73 degrees up here. And I had it turned down to 60. So this has not been on all night. Now let's go check the fire. The machine is on, but it's cool air. I don't understand. It says the system is off. So it must just circulate air when it's not heating or cooling. But it's 70. Now, it was warm last night, so that's very critical. Good morning. Good morning. Did you have a nice night? Good. Ooh, that's nice and hot on top. I probably ought to keep it closed, but I just want to see. We still have a little bit of burn in there. Wonderful. Okay. This mission was a success. If it had been a lot colder last night, it would be a far different story this morning. Really? Don't you think so? Don't you think it would be far different? Yeah, okay. Hi, baby. Where's everybody else? Where is everybody? Where is everybody? Huh? Okay, I've used a chunk of my wood. Over here too. Some of that's been used also. You just want all the attention. Yeah, you just want attention. Oh, baby. Now, I feel like I cheated because I hadn't looked ahead to see what the temperature was going to be. I had heard Danny at Deep South Homestead talking about it, and I just got fired up. I wanted to do it this Saturday. I thought Saturday would be a good day for people to join in and give it a try. You know, they might be off work and might be more interested in just testing themselves along with me. I hope so. So be sure and leave comments below if you're on board, if you're doing this with me, if you have suggestions. But we're just starting out with no power. And so that's how last night went. And I got a little confidence that I was able to keep a fire going, but you know, the need really wasn't there. You know, when the power goes out, you suddenly have this real need. Can I do this? You know, am I going to be warm enough? Especially seniors. I mean, we really have to be thinking about what is our contingency plan. You know, if you don't have wood heat, if you don't have a way to heat your place, what are you going to do? Who are you going to fall back on? Who's your resource? All of these things we need to be thinking about. And I hope you'll join me. Leave me comments and follow the series. I'm going to be posting every day, but I'm also posting other videos that I'm catching up on editing. So please stay tuned to my channel. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.
Oh, yeah.